Hello and welcome to the first video in the PACA Concussion Education Portal tutorial series. My name is Ryan Sutton and I'll be guiding you through this tutorial. The first thing that we're going to explore today is how to log in and sign up for an account. So once you come to the paca.health webpage, you'll see at the top here where there's the portal login right at the top right. You'll click that and this little screen here will pop up. So if you already have an account, you'll type in your information right here. Or if you're looking to register an account, you'll actually go to this right side here and click register an account. So once you click register, you'll input all of your different information, including a username, email, first and last name, and then create a strong password to secure your account. Once you've done this, you'll hit the register button. All right, now that we've registered, we're going to move on to the next video where we'll talk about enrollment.